Wait, have you seen those viral AI videos where matchstick sculptures burn and instantly turn black? Yeah, those videos are everywhere right now, and some of them are getting millions of views. The crazy part? They're actually super easy to make, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it step by step. So if you've ever thought, I wanna make something like that too, this is your moment. Let's jump in. Step 1. Get your prompts. Alright, the first thing you need is the prompts. Don't worry, I've already prepared 2 prompts for you. One for generating the image and one for generating the video. You can grab both of them from my website. The link is in the description below. Step 2. Generate the image. Now let's create the base image for your video. Start by copying the image prompt from my website. Before you use it, make sure you customize it by adding the object or animal you want. For example, I'm going with tarantula, but honestly, you can choose anything, like a lion, a dragon, or even something abstract. Once you've added your object, just select and copy the full prompt. Next, open the website Imagine.art. You'll find the link in the description as well. Go to the image generator tool, then paste your prompt there. At this point, you could already generate the image. But if you want more accurate and detailed results, you can upload a reference image of your object or animal to help the AI better understand what you want. And if you'd like to include a custom character or even yourself in the video, you can upload a photo for that too. After that, open the settings and choose the model Nano Banana 2. Set your image ratio to portrait 9:16, which is perfect for short-form content like TikTok or Reels. You can also adjust the batch variation. I usually set it to 2, and then choose your preferred resolution, whether it's 1K, 2K, or even 4K. Once everything looks good, click Generate and wait a few seconds. And just like that, your image is ready. Pick the one you like the most and download it because we're going to use it in the next part. Step 3. Generate the video. Now comes the fun part, turning that image into a video. Go back to my website and copy the video prompt and make sure you use the same object as before so everything stays consistent. Once that's ready, head back to Imagine.art, but this time switch to the video generation tool. Upload the image you just downloaded, then paste your video prompt into the input field. Next, open the settings again and choose the model VO 3.1 Fast. This model is fast and gives great results, but feel free to try others if you want to experiment. Then set your video duration. I usually go with around 8 seconds and choose the resolution. 1080p already looks great, but 4K is available if you want something sharper. After that, just hit Generate and wait a few minutes. And that's it. Your AI burning matchstick sculpture video is done and ready to post. So yeah, that's literally how easy it is to create those viral videos you've been seeing all over social media. Now imagine this. What if your video is the next one that blows up and gets millions of views? You already have everything you need, and the prompts are waiting for you in the description. Go try it right now, and who knows, I might see your video popping up on my feed next.